Guess what, folks? We got an MOT. Fantastic MOT station. Big shout out to Aid. Really nice guy. Very thorough. Didn't miss a trick on it. But we're okay. Knows what he's talking about. And very kindly said to provide him the information for the Rainbow Children's Trust giving page, and he'll drop us a donation. A nice group of guys there, very friendly indeed. And we have our ticket to Scotland, so just need to go and tax the bike now. But when we thought it was all over, seems we're okay. We've got a bit of an oil leak, I think. It might be spillage from when I filled it up, to be honest, but we'll see. Get a wipe down and clean. See how we get on. I wanted to come down this lane because I think this is a great test of how this is going to be. It handles great. Obviously I don't have the luggage on it at the moment, but it handles better than most of my other bikes, even the Scrambler, to be honest. So, testament to it. Properly getting the feel for it. And one concern I did have with the issues with that rear brake. Now, what way do we want to go here? I'm going to say left. It sounds great. Yeah, so I'm suitably impressed, guys. We are on our way. We have that golden ticket that says she's back on the road, and we're going to be going to Scotland. Now, I've done a bit of a check on the weather. That's looking fantastic at the moment. Obviously, nothing is ever guaranteed in this country, so let's see how it pans out. But hopefully we'll get ourselves sorted. So there's a couple of big surprises coming on the channel. One I'm very, very excited about. I think it's going to make a huge difference to this trip, but we'll get around to that. So as it stands, we have got less than 2 weeks. It's exactly 11 days now until the big off. So obviously over the next week I'm going to be getting some miles on this bike, try and do a bit of a shakedown run. We got to get all the gear gone through, so me and Emily are going to be doing that later. Check all the tent, everything else, let you know what I'm taking, what I'm not taking. I need to get USB power onto the bike to charge everything for the trip. I need to make sure I've got spare batteries. Just so much stuff left to do, but until this was MOT'd, this was the focus. So a lot of work left to do, but hopefully we've broken the back of it. We'll soon find out. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've just got back from a bit of a ride out on the Tiger, and don't tell her, but Emily's doing the best job ever. She's out there cleaning all the panniers. Look at that. It's quite a bad smell in there, so gave her the best job in the world. And I'm going to go out there now. I've got one tent on the shelf here behind me, and I've got exactly the same tent out on the lawn, and we're going to pick the best bits of both of them, set me up with that, and then I'll take the other poles as spares, I think. But we're going to go and pitch the tent and just make sure for the trip it is a-okay. Now, as you know, we passed the MOT with the Tiger. It's on the road, but that's not the end of the saga. There's a small oil leak, and apparently we've got a coolant leak as well. So we're taking total distraction, not even thinking about it, pretend we didn't see it, didn't happen, and we're going to go and get on and get the gear together. So let's do that. Good morning, folks. Hopefully that leak holds up, and the bike is out the front, all packed up, and I'm just going to put my gear on. I've just had some breakfast, and I'm going to head off, and we can start this big charity ride. I'm absolutely knackered. It was a very late evening. Not the kind of condition I was hoping to start this trip in, but yeah. This will actually probably be the end of the previous video. So thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff as per usual, and hopefully I'll see you in Scotland. Take it easy.